हेलो गाइस। आज की वीडियो में हम ड्यूरिंग कुकिंग यूज होने वाले वर्ब्स सीखेंगे विद सेंटेंसेस। सो प्लीज वॉच द फुल वीडियो एंड रिपीट द सेंटेंसेस आफ्टर मी। लेट्स स्टार्ट। आई एम बॉइलिंग द वाटर। आई एम बॉइलिंग द वाटर। आई एम चॉपिंग द अनियंस। आई एम चॉपिंग द अनियंस। I am frying the eggs. I am frying the eggs. I am baking the cake. I am baking the cake. I am grilling the chicken. I am grilling the chicken. I am mixing the ingredients. I am mixing the ingredients. I am slicing the bread. I am slicing the bread. I am peeling the potatoes. I am peeling the potatoes. I am whisking the egg. I am whisking the egg. I am blending the fruits. I am blending the fruits. I am kneading the dough. I am kneading the dough. I am crushing the garlic cloves. I am crushing the garlic cloves. I sprinkle the salt over the dish for extra flavor. I sprinkle the salt over the dish for extra flavor. I zest the lemon to add citrus flavor. I zest the lemon to add citrus flavor. I zest the lemon to add citrus flavor. I rinse the rice before cooking. I rinse the rice before cooking. I am dicing the potatoes. I am dicing the potatoes. I am grating the cheese. I am grating the cheese. I am poaching eggs. I am poaching eggs. I am spreading butter. I am spreading butter. I am scrambling the eggs. I am scrambling the eggs. I am cracking the eggs. I am cracking the eggs. I am adding sugar. I am adding sugar. I am squeezing the lemon. I am squeezing the lemon. I am sauteing the onions. I am sauteing the onions. I am caramelizing sugar. I am caramelizing sugar. I am rolling out the dough. I am rolling out the dough. I am whipping the cream. I am whipping the cream. I am draining the pasta. I am draining the pasta. I am peeling the potatoes. I am peeling the potatoes. I am picking the herbs from my garden. I am picking the herbs from my garden. I am tasting the soup. I am tasting the soup. I'm sifting the flour. I'm sifting the flour. I'm slicing the cake. I'm slicing the cake. I'm filling the jars. I am filling the jars. I am melting the chocolate. I am melting the chocolate. I am preserving some food. I am preserving some food. I am steaming seafood. I am steaming seafood. I am mixing salad with vegetable. I am mixing salad with vegetable. I am washing hands. I am washing hands. I am scooping the ice cream. I am scooping the ice cream. Thanks for watching.